This year is an unusually hot year. Don't you want to find a way to solve new serious skin trouble or find some care products that are perfect for you? Come into Fativella, avoid the heat, and get some present consultation with delicious food in a cool cafe. Hello everyone, I'm Anju Park. I'm the person in charge of PR marketing and barista here. As a PR marketer, I manage the homepage of company PR or check the online orders, and as a barista, I make drinks and snacks that you can enjoy when you are having consultation with our staff. Today, I will talk about how to use our main service, the counseling system. Have you ever experienced the side effect from cosmetics that you bought at a load shop? How did you feel in that moment? At first, you might be frustrated, but after, you may want to find a real makeup that can make you most beautiful in the world. This consultation will help those who want to have products that can fit their skin type, or those who want to give the only cosmetics in the world as a present, or those who are starting makeup for the first time. Our company will always greet you with love except Sunday. The time for consultation is 9:13 a.m. to 8 p.m. You should have a reservation before visiting our cafe. You can check the date that can be consulted online on the website, make reservations by DM, Facebook message or phone, and and it's okay to visit our cafe to make a reservation. I will kind guide you. Our product cover all of cosmetic, including sun care, color cosmetics, cover cosmetics, and beige cosmetics. In page contains all the detail I announced, including the main contents of consultations, the correct consultation time, the application link, the precautions, wait, the time to wait for the cosmetics, and price tag, cosmetics, and food. Then you can enjoy during the consultations. We have written it down for those who want to make a reservation, so please read it. Thank you so much for listening to me. I hope we can meet you at our cafe Fativella. And in the next video, our company's consultant GU will introduce you to our company's history and visions. Have a good day.